Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of the Boat Bassheads 142. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the box of the Boat Bassheads 142 and as you can see the packaging is really nice. There is boat branding on either side of the box. And at the back there are some quick specs like super coated cable, hands-free microphone, metal construction and HD sound. And this boat Bassheads come with this carrying case and it's mentioned over here. And the MRP over here is 1290, but actually you can get it for below 500 rupees. So without wasting any time, let's do the unboxing. So guys, this box contains only the carrying case and there is nothing else in the box, as you can see. So this box comes with this broad branding and the quality of the carrying case is really nice. It looks really durable. And let's quickly open it up and see what it has. So let's open it. So these are the contents of the box. First the earphones, then these are the ear cups of different sizes, and this is the boat product list. As you can see, there are various products of boat which you can buy, and all these products are available. And this is the card of the boat. So now let's move this aside and look at the earphone itself. So this contains the ear cups of different sizes. Let me move this aside for now and let's finally open the earphone and see. It comes with this plastic wrap. And so guys, these are the earphones. As you can see, it looks really premium in hand. Now let's open it and see. So guys, this is the earphone and as you can see it looks really premium because of this metallic design, and this wire is also of really nice quality. And here you get the button for accepting and rejecting the calls, and finally you get the 3.5mm jack, which again has the boat branding and it looks really good. So guys, I've used this earphone for about a day and I think this is one of the best earphones you can buy for around 500 rupees. The vocals and the bass is really good on this earphone. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.